Every year, Science Oxford reaches over 25,000 adults and children across Oxfordshire and Buckinghamshire through our unique public engagement and educational outreach programmes. We run over 250 weekend science clubs for young people and deliver 100 workshops and shows in schools. Our Summer Family programme of activities enables us to take our shows and workshops out on the road and connect with people in underserved communities across Oxfordshire. We reach people of all ages and demographics in parts of the county that don't normally get to participate in hands-on science engagement. Thanks to the support from like-minded organisations and people committed to community inclusivity and enrichment, here's what we've been up to this summer. Family science workshops in partnership with venues like Cogges Manor Farm in Witney and OYAP in Bicester. A free week-long robotics camp for young people aged 11 to 15 who live in Rose Hill that included visits to local high-tech businesses and the robot lab at Oxford Brookes University.
I've learned how robots are built and how they move and how they're controlled.
Hands-on science activities at family Playdays in Bicester, Banbury and Faringdon. The Science Oxford Summer Library Tour, which visited 13 libraries in underserved communities. And we introduced young people to computer coding through music at a special workshop in Bicester.
We've worked with a whole range of different ages and different communities. We've worked with local businesses, with volunteers from industries and with lots of fabulous partners. So the Oxfordshire Youth Arts Partnership up in Bicester, the Playful Project in Banbury, Rose Hill Community Centre in one of the regeneration areas of Oxford, and here at Faringdon with the Oxfordshire Play Association.
This summer, Science Oxford reached over 1,000 young people and their families in 14 towns and villages across the county. We'd love you to be involved in 2019.